several of the Northeast Texas cruise-in groups came together, organized a cruise from one of their cities to another. It was a lot of fun. We all hopped in our cars as fast as we could, hit the road, and had a great time. Here we go. Hey, hello all you wonderful car freaks out there. I am Burke. Welcome to Road Odyssey, and I really do hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, this video is about the Cooper Cruise-In up here in the Northeast Texas area, and y'all are always invited, and if you're a vendor, car related, or maybe even not, come on out, join us at these cruise-ins. Now, the reason why I'm making a video on this cruise-in is because a lot of the people that host these cruise-ins up in my area are mixing it up, which is fantastic. So we're not just driving a car somewhere, sitting around and, being bored. We're really trying to find new things to do. And so in this case, it was a bona fide cruise-in. Everybody met in one city, and from that city, we cruised for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, whatever, out to Cooper. And it was just a really fun ride, and I think we're going to be doing more of this in the future. So stay posted. Be sure and watch my Facebook page, or, look for the Celeste Cruise-In or Wolfe City Cruise-In. Look at some of these other Facebook pages, and that way you can get notified of events that are coming up. I really think you'll like this stuff. And so anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. Here we go. We are in this small area of Northeast Texas, just around Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Paris, Sherman, this whole general area. Our cruise-in groups tend to include Leonard, Celeste, Wolfe City, Ladonia, a little bit of Paris, Cooper, Commerce, and so forth. Here is my latest revised schedule of a lot of these cruise-ins and Cars and Coffee. This will also be posted on the Facebook page, my ntxro.com, and at the end of this video. Specifically, the Cooper Car Meet. Here's their Facebook page when you look on the cell phone. Here was the posting of this cruise-in on over event. Danny Pate, he's the guy that hosts the Wolfe City Cruise-In. He got his drone up and got some pictures and such, made a video that he also posted out on Facebook. Probably the biggest supporter, along with Danny Pate and Wolfe City, is Connie and Mike of the Celeste Car and Motorcycle Cruise-In group. Here's Mike Duplachek and his pickup truck. He's the host of the Ladonia Cruise-In group, joining me as we get ready to join everybody else for this cruise-in event. And incoming is the Cooper group. That was John and Courtney leading the group in their red pickup truck. And here they are, just all pulling in. I could hear them from a mile away, honking their horns and revving their cars. It is kind of funny. So, pretty nice group of people. Really like them a lot. And coming up towards the end of their group is Rick Murray and his wonderful pickup, and behind him is Steve and Cindy in their GT500. Now here's Connie getting out of their car, and Mike is there as well. Connie and Mike, that is the Celeste Cruise-In group hosts, with all of their folks from their side of all these groups. And there's Mike getting out of the car right there. So now that's Celeste and Wolfe City that is coming in right here. Here is Danny Pate. He is the Wolfe City Cruise-In group host. And he's had that car, I think he said, for 30, 40 years. If you can't tell, it was time to leave Ladonia and start cruising on over to Cooper, Texas. we did have a very long line of cars out on the back roads. It was very nice and relaxing, and we just kind of pooted along, had a good time. Here I am passing Tracy, Danny, Mike and Amanda, Mike Duplachek, John and Courtney, and Mike and Connie, Paris Group, another of the Celeste Corvette people, and one of the race cars, Jim and Rick Murray. So I barely beat the group into Cooper, Texas so that I could get these shots of them all pulling in. Okay, be sure to monitor my Facebook page and any of the other Facebook pages in this Northeast Texas area. Cooper, Celeste, Wolfe City, Ladonia, whoever, all up here. Watch our pages, watch for the schedules to be published, things like that, because we're really trying to bring in more vendors and people who have interests that could aid and abet all of us car freaks. And we are hoping to have some cruises coming up and more things going on. So we're really trying to mix it up. We want to invite every one of you to come out and join us and have a lot of fun. So again, check out our Facebook pages and watch all this good stuff. So with that, I guess I'm done. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.